Now students, we are going to solve that exercise 1.5 class 9 general maths question number 6 Roman 2. This is a question, so solution I am writing here now, and I will repeat the question again here. Means 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus root 3, then 1 by root 3 plus root 4. Now student, look after that. Here I will write 1 plus root 2, then 1 by root 2 plus root 3, then 1 by root 3, and root 4 is 2 actually, means 2 square 4, 2 square root cancel, there is 2. Now student, look after that. 1 plus root 2, then root 2 plus root 3, then root 3 plus 2. Look here, if I taking the LCM, then what will happen? Look, if these three value divisible by only this part, which means these two cancel and remaining part would be these two, so I will write here only root 2 plus root 3 and root 3 plus 2. Now student, the next part is, if I go for the division with the denominator with root 2 plus root 3, then these two will be cancelled. The remaining part would be 1 plus root 2 and root 3 plus 2. And next one would be, if I go for the division with these two, the remaining part would be 1 plus root 2 and root 2 plus root 3. Now look in the next step, what will happen? Now look here, next step. So here 1 plus root 2, then root 2 plus root 3, then root 3 plus 2. Now look here, go for the multiplication. Root 2 into root 3 means root 6, and root 2 into 2 means 2 root 2. There is root 3 into root 3 means root 3 square. Root 3 square means 3 only, and 2 into root 3 means 2 root 3. Next step would be root 3 plus root 3 into 1 root 3, then 1 into 2 means 2, then 3 into 2 means root 3 into root 2 root 6, and there is 2 root 2. Now next part would be again 1 into root 2 means root 2, and 1 into root 3 is root 3, then root 2 into root 2 means only 2, root 2 square root cancel, then 2, and root 2 into root 3 is 6, 3 2s are 6. Now look here student, after that what will happen? Now I will just going to multiply the denominator here. So root 6, look here, I will go for the multiplication of the denominator here, but before that root 6 root 6 root 6, which means 3 root 6 plus 2 root 2 here, then 2 root 2 here means 4 root 2, 4 and 1 5 root 2, 5 root 2, then next one 2 root 3 and root 3 means 3 root 3, 3 root 3 and one more means 4 root 3, 4 root 3 here. Then remaining part will be 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7. I repeat again, root 6 root 6 root 6 means 3 root 6, 2 root 2 and 2 root 2 means 4 root 2 1 5 root 2, then 2 root 3 and 1 3 root 3 and 1 4 root 3, and remaining part would be 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 7. Now here after that 1 into root 2, with these two multiplication first, 1 into root 2 then root 3, then root 2 into root 2 means root 2 square means 2, and root 2 and root 3 means root 6. Now with this again go for the multiplication. Now what will happen after that? Look here, if I go for the multiplication again, what will happen after that? There is 3 root 6, then 5 root 2, then 4 root 3, then 7. Now root 3 and root 2 means root 6 again, so root 3 into root 3 square means 3, and 2 into root 3 2 root 3, and root 6 and root 3 means root 18, root 6 and root 3 is root 18. If now this is only look here, root 3 into root 2 root 6, root 3 into root 3 square means 3, 2 root 3 and root 6 into root 3 18. Now just after that, now whole things will be multiplied by 2 again, so 2 into root 2 2 root 2 here, root 3 into 2 means 2 root 3, now 2 into 2 4, and 2 into root 6. Now look student, just after that root 18, If it is 18, then we can say that 9 into 2. If it is 9 into 2, so 9 into 2, root 18. Look here, I am just showing here now. Look, root 18 means 9 into 2. If it is 9, then 3 square into 2, the square root cancel, means 3 root 2 will be here. So root 6, 2 root 6 and root 6 means 3 root 6 here. Now there is a 2 root 3 and 2 root 3 means 4 2 root 3 and 2 root 3, which means 4 root 3 here. Now there is a 3 root 2. 18 means 9 to the 18. If it is 9 means 3 square, then 3 root 2. 3 root 2 and 2 root 2 means 5 root 2 here. And the remaining part would be 4 plus 3, 7. I repeat again, root 3, 2 and 1, 3. And 2 root 3, 2 root 3, 4 root 3. Then 18 means 9 to the 18. If it is 9, then 3 square means 3 root 2. And 2 root 2 means 5 root 2. And 4 plus 3, 7. Now here also I may write root 6. Now I'm just going to change this one, 4 root 3 here, then 5 root 2, then 7. So if I cancel, since the numerator and the denominator are same, so if I cancel this, answer would be 1 only. This is the answer of 6 Roman 2. I hope you understand that. Now student, look, the last question, 1.5, 6 Roman 3, the last question. Add the rational numbers 1.27 bar and 0.13 bar. Now let's have a look how to solve this one. I will solve it separately, one by one, then I will add. Now let's have a look how to solve this one. Now student, look here, let x equal to 1.27 bar, which means this is x equal to 1.277, then it will go on. Now look student, how to solve this one. Initially there is 777, number 7 is repeats many times, so after the decimal point only one digit which is not common, and these are common digits, so just go for the multiplication one with 10, which means there could be 12.777, and I am taking this one as equation number 1. Now just after that, which means now student, just after that, if I go for the multiplication with the same digit, means x. Now if I go for the multiplication of the x with means 1, then 1 2 means 100. So if I go for the multiplication with 100 here, means 100x, then 127, then 0.777 will be here. So this is our equation number 2. Now if I go for the subtraction, look here, if I go for the subtraction of 2 minus 1, if I go for the subtraction of 2 minus 1, then what will happen? 100x, then 127, then 777 dot dot, and next one would be 10x, then 1 2, then 777 will be here, dot dot dot. Now go for the subtraction here, go for the subtraction. What will happen if I go for the subtraction here, which means 100 minus 10 is 90x here. Now decimal point, after that all digits are removed because all are similar here, so will be removed here, means 7 and 7, this portion removed. Now remaining part would be 7 minus 2, means 7 minus 2 is 5. I repeat again, 7 minus 2 is 5, and there is 2 minus 1 is 1, and this one will be here. I repeat again, 7 minus 2 is 5, 2 minus 1 is 1, and 1 will be here. Now next step would be x is equal to 115 by 90. Obviously 90 and 115 both are the multiple of 5 if I go for the division here. So let's have a look how to solve this portion. Now look here, 5 to the 10, if it is 10, then 1 here 15, 5 3 is 15, and here it is 18. So x equal to 23 by 18. This is the first x of the answer 6 Roman 3. Now we'll go for the next one, which means the second one, that is 0.13 bar. Now student, next one, let y equal to 0.13 bar, which means here y equal to 0.1333, which means here if I go for the multiplication, look here, decimal point then 1, and 1 is uncommon but the 3 are common, which means this 3 is repeating frequently one after another, which means that's why it is given here 3 bar. So if I go for the solution, so I will first multiply both the side with 10y. If I multiply both the side with 10y, then 1.333 will be here. Then I am taking giving dot dot. This is as equation number 1. Now again, if I go for the multiplication with 100, then what will happen? Which means here so decimal point then 1 2. So if I go for the 100 here, 100y, then there would be 13, then 3 3 3 will be here. So equation number 2. Now we are just going to subtraction of 2 minus 1. Equation number 2 minus 1, what will happen then? 100y equal to 100y equal to 100y equal to 13.333 dot dot, and there would be 10y equal to 1.333 dot dot. Now just go for the subtraction here. So 10 minus 100 minus 10 is 90y here, and this portion will be removed because similar things after decimal, similar numbers will be removed. So 13 minus 1 is 12 here. Now y equal to, next would be y equal to 12 by 90. Now look here, look here, if I go for the subtraction with 3, because 3 fourths are 12 and 3 into 30. Now again go for the 2 with 2 to the 4 and 2 into 15. So y equal to 2 by 15. This is the value of y. Look student, just after that 18 and 15, look, x plus y. I am just going to add the number which I found now, x and y. So just addition x and y means x, value of x is 23 by 18 and value of y 2 by 15. Now go for the LCM, 18 and 15. What will be the LCM here? Both are the multiple of 3. So 3 6 is the 18, 3 5 is the 15. Now again, if I go for the multiplication here, 3 2 is the 6 and then is 5. Now 5 2 is the 10, 5 2 is the 10, 10 3 is the 5 2 is the 10, and 10 3 is the 30, 30 and 3 90. So LCM would be here, LCM would be here 90. I repeat again, look, 18 and 15, go for the multiplication with 3, 3 6 is the 18, 3 5 is the 15, 5 6 is the 30, 30 into 3 90. 90 is the LCM. Now 18 divide, so 90 divided by 18, so answer would be 5. If 90 divisible by 18, answer would be 5. If it is 5, then 23 into 5, answer would be 3 5 is the 15, carry 1, 5 to the 10 plus 1 11, 3 5 is the 15, 5 carry 1, 5 to the 10 plus 1 11, 1 1 5 here. Now 90 divisible by 15, answer would be 6. 90 divisible by 15, answer would be 6. 6 to the 12. Now go for the addition here. 5 plus 2 7, 1 plus 1 2. I repeat, 5 plus 2 7, 1 plus 2, 1 to 7 by 90. Now 1 plus 2 1 to 7 by 90. This is the answer of the last question. I hope you understand, student.